Hello guys, welcome to Generation Rebel. In this video I'll be showing you how to make yourself look offline to your contacts on WhatsApp. So here I am on my phone right now. Let's over to our WhatsApp app. It's over here. Let's click on it, and then as you can see, we are on our homepage, our contacts, our conversations list. You need to click on the top right corner of the screen, click on settings, and this one over here, and then it'll just head over to privacy, click on it, and last seen and online. And as you can see, who can see my last seen? You can choose everyone, my contacts except, or nobody. And then nobody makes scene that no one can see that you've seen, and who can see when I'm online is, let's set that to same as last seen, so it's also nobody, so nobody can see you when you're online. It's that simple. That is how you make sure you look offline to other people, and they can even see if you've seen the messages on WhatsApp. Thank you for watching. This is Generation Rebel. I hope this video helped you. Like, comment, and subscribe if it did. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.